What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set Java environment variables in Windows 11 so your system can actually run Java programs properly. So first, simply make sure Java is installed on your PC. Then simply locate the installation folder, which is usually something like what I'm going to show on screen. Next, you can then press Windows plus S at the same time. Then type environment variables. From here, you can then select edit the system environment variables. Now in the system properties window, simply click environment variables. Then under system variables, simply click new to add java_home as the variable name and paste your Java installation path as the value. From there, you can then click OK. Then find the path variable under system variables. Then select edit and add a new entry, simply like the one that I've shown on screen. And once you're done, you can then click OK to save everything. So finally, you then have to open a command prompt and type Java version and javac version to make sure Windows actually recognizes your Java setup. And that's it. So you then have successfully set Java environment variables on Windows 11. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.